Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to revoke smart contract allowances or token approvals. And today we're going to go through MetaMask wallet. So to revoke smart contracts, it's pretty much easy. They have revoke your token allowances in MetaMask portfolio. They have added this feature, so you can go ahead and use a platform such as Revoke for it is for many networks, not only like for Ethereum, and you can go ahead and do revoke approvals here. Now, first of all, you will need to go ahead and connect your wallet. So click connect, choose MetaMask. Now, after you will be connected, you will see here on the asset type and so on and so forth. As you can see, I don't have any approvals, but you will see the approvals here. And on actions, you will be able to click revoke. Now, this is how it will look like. Basically, you will have all your tokens here, and you can go ahead and click on actions revoke. And after this, your coin will be revoked. There's also some other options like CoinTool, for example. They also have multiple networks. And here you can actually you are able to connect the wallet again and go ahead and enter your address if we want to check. Let's check it without connecting the wallet. And now once you entered it, click here. And as you can see, for me, it's you don't authorize tokens to any contracts. It's safe. And that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.